Hey there, my name is Marcus Stone and in this video you will learn how you can easily clear a Snapchat chat. So let's start. First, what you want to do is just click here on chat, and when you have the chat here, you want to, hold it, and then you will have a button here, more. On iPhone you will find like settings or something like that. Click on more, and then what you want to do is you will find here clear conversation. When you're gonna click conversation, are you sure you want to clear this conversation? This will be clear the conversation from your feed. It will not delete any saved or sent messages in your conversation. Clear. So if you have like a lot of chats, this is the really good way how to do it. If you have like really a lot of messages, so more, and you can also change when the chats be set to delete. So that's kind of it. Thank you very much everybody for watching. If you enjoyed this video, you can support and subscribe. You know how it goes. Thank you. Have a great day and see ya. Goodbye.